Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 4 power x plus 16 power x is equals to 272 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So we can write the right hand side as 16 plus 256, or we can say that 16 the square of 4 square is 16 and 16 square is 256. So if we compare both sides, left hand side and right hand side, the value of x is 2. Because 4 power x and on right hand side 4 power is 2, and similarly 16 power x plus 16 power 2. If we compare both sides, the final value of x is 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.